Welcome to the Generation Invest channel. I'm your content creator. Stake have announced the new premium black service, a little on the nose in today's climate, and I needed to let you know why this is great news for all investors. So let's dive in. Stake provides a zero-fee, commission-free service to allow investors with smaller pockets, like mine, the ability to invest in some of your favorite companies, like Amazon and Spotify. Usually $9 per month, Stake now allows users to access all the premium content for free until January 2021. So let's enter the Kore Lounge and check it out. If you don't know what Stake is, go ahead and check out my first upload by clicking the link above. Essentially, it's an app to provide investors in Australia, UK, Brazil, and here in New Zealand the ability to invest in the US stock exchange. Perk 1. Instant buying power. Have funds from sell trades reflected in your buying power immediately, ready to be reinvested. Typically, selling a share can take up to 2 business days, so this will help an investor or trader sell and buy at a faster rate, which will then allow them to take full advantage of daily spikes and declines. Perk 2, pro level data. Now, firstly, just a quick nod because I know it's not intended to, but it's such a Kiwi thing to say, oh, he's pro as, or he's got pro as skills. So it sits quite well for me that they said pro level data. Anyway, it says, see the whole picture with full financials on every company. So if we just go and select Google, scroll down to the bottom, it'll show their earnings per share over the past 4 quarters, and their balance sheet. We now have the ability to see full financials. Now, I know that most of the companies will have this information shown in their investor center. However, it provides you all that knowledge and information in one space. So it's more just a convenience piece, and it's a great way to have certain parts like assets, current assets, or current income or non-current income highlighted so that it's at the forefront when you're completing your research. So for example, if we go open up the financials, we'll see balance sheet, income, and cash flow, and you will see in white bold is the highlighted key points or key areas when completing your analysis for your research. Perk 3. More intricate enhancements, constant upgrades of more sophisticated to further power your investing. So again, it's more just them saying that they've got a website that's aesthetically pleasing to help not only young investors but also experienced and more mature investors as well. The About section will have more common information or regular search data that relates to that company alone. And at the bottom will show related companies and recent market fluctuations that you may want to consider. Perk 4, analyst ratings. Make more informed decisions by seeing what Wall Street pros are saying about each stock. Now, this inclusion is Stake's point of difference. It helps you understand multiple analyst predictions, which are current to today's economic climate. Not only that, but it also provides you with additional data to then research these analysts and or companies and get a feel of objective views from investors outside of your circle of knowledge. This is important because you should always take all information with a grain of salt. By that I mean, don't just take the prediction of one analyst or the opinion of another. Simply gather all that information together and based on your investing values or your investing style, use that information to make the best investing decision you can to either buy or sell that company. Perk 5, price targets. Go even deeper and see what the experts are valuing stocks at. So I'll use a different example here. Let's go to Spotify. Scroll down to analyst ratings. It says 40% suggest buy. So we had this information before, but the information that we didn't have before is the ability to see price targets and ratings. So when we select that, it'll let you know, okay, so this analyst from Deutsche Bank suggests the current price is overvalued. SunTrust believe that Spotify is set for a 16.84% price increase, and so on and so forth. So although these price targets cannot be considered financial advice or a guarantee on what the market's going to do, because no one has a crystal ball, again, it's more just a tool that we can add to our toolbox of research to help us make more informed decisions when it comes to investing. So why is this important, and how can this help you meet your investing goals? First off, it's free. So if you're not on Stake, go ahead and use my referral code in the description below. If you are currently a Stake user, just exploit it for what it is. It's a research tool available for you to use free of charge until the end of Jan. And number 2, educational. Learn why analysts put these numbers on these stocks. Understand why they believe it's a good buy or why they believe you should hold the stock or possibly sell. Understand also that the information provided from the financial information, so the balance sheet, these are numbers that you should understand at a high level when conducting your relative research on companies and their financials. So now's a better time than any to go check out Stake if you have been hesitant in the past. It's a premium service, absolutely free of charge. Let me know in the comments below, maybe there's other platforms I haven't considered, or some pros and cons with Stake, Hatch, or maybe Sharesies that you want to let the community know that I would like to help build. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.